In this video, I'll guide you through how to add an indicator in Moomoo. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, understanding how to add indicators to your charts can significantly enhance your trading experience. Indicators are powerful tools that help you analyze market trends and make informed decisions. So let's dive right in and see how easy it is to do this in Moomoo. First things first, open the Moomoo app or website. If you're new to Moomoo, it's a comprehensive trading platform that offers a variety of tools to help you with your investment strategies. Once you have the app or website up and running, you're ready to take the next step. Now, navigate to the chart. This is where all the magic happens. Charts are essential because they visually represent price movements and trends, making it much easier for you to spot patterns. Once you're on the chart, look for the gear icon. It's usually located at the top or bottom corner, depending on the version of the app or website you're using. Tapping on the gear icon will open up a menu where you can customize your chart settings. Next, select Chart Management. This is where you can manage various aspects of your charts, but for now, we're going to focus on adding indicators. Once you're in Chart Management, look for the option that says Manage Indicators. Clicking this will bring up a list of all the available indicators you can add to your chart. Now comes the exciting part, choosing the indicator you want to add. Moomoo offers a wide array of indicators, from moving averages to Bollinger Bands, RSI, and many more. Depending on your trading strategy, you might want to select one or multiple indicators. These tools can provide insights into market volatility, momentum, and potential price reversals. Take your time to explore the options and select the one that best fits your needs. And that's it. You've successfully added an indicator to your chart in Moomoo. It's a simple process that can greatly enhance your ability to analyze the markets. By using indicators, you can gain a deeper understanding of market dynamics and make more informed trading decisions. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different indicators to see which ones work best for you. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Moomoo and improving your trading skills. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.